MyFuture Retirement Planner Honest Review. Watch before using. MyFuture Retirement Planner is a financial planning tool offered by LifeWorks designed to assist individuals in managing their retirement savings and planning for the future. Here is an honest review to help you decide if it is the right for you. So let's get started. MyFuture Retirement Planner is a digital platform that provides personalized retirement planning service. It offers features such as a retirement service projection, saving projection, investment guidance, and a retirement income planning. And here's the advantages about this platform, which help tailor the recommendation to your specific financial situation and retirement objective. They also offer a wide range of features to assist in various aspects and retirement planning. They are also designed to be intuitive and accessible for users with a varying level of financial knowledge. And here's the downside about this platform. So users have reported that the platform lacks details information on certain features, and also access to some features may require a subscription or additional fee. So here's a overall conclusion about this platform. MyFuture Retirement Planner offers a comprehensive suite of tools for individuals looking for a plan for retirement. It also personalized approach and user-friendly interface make it valuable resource for many. And however, it's important to consider any associated cost and ensure it aligns with your specific retirement planning need. Thanks.